Updating your payment method on Mixpanel is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your billing information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Mixpanel account by entering your credentials on the Mixpanel login page. Step 2. Navigate to Billing Settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile icon usually found in the top right corner. Click on it and select Billing or Billing Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Access payment methods. In the billing settings, look for a section labeled Payment Methods or Payment Information. Click on this section to view your current payment details. Step 4. Update payment information. Select the option to edit or update your payment method. Enter your new credit card or payment details as required, ensuring all information is accurate. Step 5. Save changes. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s-rock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can easily update your payment method on Mixpanel. Keeping your billing information current helps avoid any interruptions in service.